Don't play with it, don't be dishonest. Ay, still not.
Guys, ito na naman kami. Happy Saturday afternoon. Wala lang, ganda lang ng weather namin guys. Kaya ikot-ikot lang kami. Saka ng mukha ko. So, dahil wala kaming magawa, magboba tayo. Yes. Yes guys, magboba tayo guys. Punta tayo Davie from her baby is like 30 minutes, no? Yeah. Look at our weather guys. Oh, it's nice. Very clear. It's cool. Malamig pa din siya, but you know, sunny. It's sunny, but it's cool weather. So guys, samahan mo kami. Magboba tayo. Kasi parang namiss ko yung boba nila guys. Kahit malamig. Ayan. So, papunta kami Davie. Galing kami yung store. Nag-return ako ng item. So, sabi ko magboba tayo. Ito namang driver ko. Alert na alert.
Uber.
Yeah. So guys, we're going on now. We're going to Davie. So look at the traffic, babe. Maybe they have the show talaga there, big, no?
I don't know.
Because you said that they closed the turnpike.
Yeah, I don't know what.
Yeah.
Alright.
Slowly lang, we're not in a rush. Yeah. Ang layo guys, pupuntahan namin.
This is the first time I get in the highway, babe.
Oh, after the ano?
Yeah.
Be careful. But you feel
Right.
like it's okay, baby?
Yeah, look.
No problems.
Look. It's not moving nowhere.
Yeah.
Wow.
Yeah, because guys, we're fixing the car this morning. Because it was Friday, baby, right?
Hmm?
Yeah, it was Friday when my husband got hit with somebody, almost hit with somebody, guys. And the driver truck ran away. Nothing is like, feels like nothing happened. And then he hit the rock. You know, so something out, something underneath the car. You know, something wrong. And the tire also. So he went to the shop this morning to realign the car because the steering wheel is not straight. And then you buy a new tire also, baby, na? You bought
No.
a new tire, no?
No.
Ano? Yeah, because he had a spare tire. So, yeah, so that's what happened. So, I'm glad he's okay, you know, nothing wrong with him. So, it's hard to drive here in Miami, guys. People think they know how to drive, but they're not. So, yeah. So,
What's that flag down there?
where is that?
It's a team or something? Hey, Miami Heat. Miami Heat or what is the other one?
So it's
UN.
yeah, it's his first time driving here after the incident last Friday, but the car is doing great now. Praise the Lord. You know, because especially our car is antique. It's antique, vintage, vintage, guys. You know, so we need to be careful.
are
So
you?
now we don't have to go anywhere.
Are we in Navy?
Not yet pa. So we don't have nowhere to go. We're just driving around. Test drive. It's good. So yeah. Thank you. That
That's dirty.
it's not, we expect that we gonna pay like 400 something. But thanks God we only pay like 140 baby no?
Yeah.
Yeah. We pay only 140. You know. But there's still a little things to fix. You know, little by little. So yeah. So this road guy, this is going to 90, this is 95. This is if you're going towards Orlando. Yeah, going to Gainesville, you can pass this too. So this is another highway here, 95, and there's also another one which is Turnpike. But this is mostly the way we drive all the time. If we go in Davie to get the fish, so this is the road. You always see this road all the time in my vlog. So yeah. It seems like it's going to rain. It's getting dark.
Did we pass?
Not yet, pa. We need to pass by that one. Yeah,
Over here, I had to get off in Hollywood
yeah.
for Danny, where he lives.
Ah, so you drive this this morning, baby? Over here?
Yeah.
Ah, okay. Oh, okay. It's not
That way
far.
he live up here.
Yeah. It's not far from us.
45 minutes.
Yeah, we
45
have.
minutes.
Yeah, we have a friend here, guy live here also in Hollywood. So
Right here.
we drove all the way here, guys, just to get the boba. Baby, what dinner you want? You want me to cook the pasta, baby? We have shrimp there, baby. Still have pasta there, baby. I need to get the pasta for you. But I'm going to use
Sufrat.
the spaghetti, baby.
Sufrat.
My husband wants the sufrat. It's been a long time, guys. We didn't eat
Mediterranean.
Mediterranean food. Yeah, that's our favorite. Can I eat lamb chop, baby?
No.
That's my favorite. But I
You
eat
can't,
lamb
babe.
chop.
Chicken, maybe.
Yeah,
And it still is heavy for you.
I know. So, guys, see you in boba, okay? In Tiger Sugar. I'm going to order a boba taro.
Can we eat?
Yeah. Okay, see you there, guys. This is the boba, guys. Boba. This is the boba, guys. Guys, this is the boba. Like that. This is the one.